Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. Today we're going to take a closer look at this 80-foot retractable hose reel from Himimi. This is a must-have tool for anyone looking to keep their workspaces organized and their air hoses tangle-free. In this video, I'll unbox this hose reel, show you how to set it up, and then demonstrate its functionality as well as go over all the specs. So let's begin. All right, let's get this unboxed. Comes with a hose reel instruction manual. This here will show you how to install it and give you the specs as well. Comes with a mounting diagram, which is going to be really handy. And then you got your hose reel. It's a little breezy out here today, so forgive the wind. Nice fall day, nice temperatures, but a little breezy out. And then one last thing you have inside your box is going to be the mounting bracket. This is going to be the piece that sits on your wall. And then your hose reel can attach to this, and that allows your hose reel to swivel up to 180 degrees. Let's go ahead and get this attached to the wall now. To begin installation, you're going to want to locate a spot within 6 feet of your air compressor. You're also going to want something sturdy, such as a stud going behind your wall. This item can be also mounted on your ceiling if you wanted. I'm going to choose to mount mine on the wall. Once you have your location figured out, I have a stud running here and one here. That's going to work perfect. You can either take your mounting bracket and use that as a template and just mark all 5 holes. There's one going to be in the center here as well. Or if you choose, you can use the template that they send you and place that to the wall and drill out the holes where it's marked on the template. It's up to you. I'm going to choose to use the mounting bracket. I'm just going to mark off these holes. Just a couple notes before you start drilling. Double check and make sure that you have the up arrow facing up so that you get your holes mounted in the correct spots. And it's also a good idea to place a level on top of your mounting bracket and make sure that you're squared up before you start drilling any of your holes. All right, for the area where I have stud, I'm going to drill a pilot hole with a 3/16 inch drill bit and just use the leg bolts that come with. But for the areas where you do not hit any studs, if you're just going into drywall, you're going to want to use your anchors that they supply. And I'm going to use a 3/8 inch drill bit to get that started so I can get this mounted in there securely. Place your mounting bracket into position, insert the leg bolts, and fasten them down with a 13mm socket. Now place your hose reel over the bracket, drop it into the slots, and take the supplied little set screw and tighten it into here. And that'll prevent that from coming back out. Attach the supply line to your air compressor and your favorite nozzle to the output of your air line, and it's ready to use. This hose reel is very long, almost long enough to inflate your neighbor's tires. With 80 feet of hose and 6.5 feet of attachment hose, It's going to be more than you're ever going to need. Built with high quality materials, this air hose reel is designed to withstand tough working conditions and provide you years of reliable service. It has a retractable design. The reel's automatic retracting system makes it easy to extend and retract the hose reel with minimal effort, reducing the risk of tripping hazards and kinks. The reel features a 180-degree swivel mount, allowing you to move freely and reach every corner of your workspace with ease. And it features an adjustable hose stopper, allowing you to adjust the length of hose that you want staying out of the hose reel. The hose on this hose reel is a premium hybrid air hose, 3/8 inch inside diameter with a 300 PSI rating. It's very soft to the feel, very flexible, almost kink-free. And the hose reel itself contains an upgraded heavy-duty spring system, making it very smooth, retracting and extending with no problems at all. It does have a handle on top if you ever need to remove it and place it in another location. In the past, I used to use one of these recoiled self-retracting air hoses, which worked fine, but you're very limited to how far you can go. I think this one had a 10-foot stretch, and they're also very brittle, and they're not very flexible at all. With this air hose, I can now reach anywhere I need to in my garage. I can get outside and fill up the camper tires if I need to, or the boat tires. I don't have to be close to my air compressor. With over 80 feet of hose, should be no problem reaching anything that I need to. And just from using this the last few weeks, I've noticed that even in cold temperatures, here we're in the late fall already, and some of the nights have been down close to 20 degrees. The air hose stays very soft and flexible. It hasn't gotten very stiff. It doesn't feel like it's going to get brittle, crack, or kink by any means. And the hose reel itself was always very easy to retract and extend. As you can see, it's a one-hand operation, and just pull it out to where you need it. The hose stops. If you need a little more, just pull it out a little bit more. And you got to find that little sweet spot there, but it'll stop every couple inches. And to retract it, you just pull a little bit and let her go back in. It's that simple. I don't have to worry about this thing tripping over it, kinking, or breaking. With this air hose and its flexibility and length, I see no need for one of these anymore. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this demonstration on this 80-foot retractable Himimi air hose. If you're tired of wrestling with tangled air hoses or are looking for a practical solution to keep your workspace organized, this Himimi air hose reel might be the answer you've been searching for. If you guys are interested in checking out this retractable 80-foot hose reel, I'll have a link down in the description. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.